Hi guys, and this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we have some visitors here. Look at, you're the one who cleaned the chicken. My friend. Hi guys!
Hi guys! Yan diri guys, naabot mi kapulihan di pa yung migmanok.
Hi pa. You're the one who cleaned the chicken and it's my visitors there. Look at them. Native chicken. It's good
Walag manok wa paniro lang.
because it's fresh.
Tira ra.
So that's the chicken of my grandma. We're just cooking it. So this is what they're doing right now. They're cleaning the native chicken. Dami man siya tinubok kong usama, no? Ha? Dami, ganagag tinubok on. Dami mang tinubuok god. Kaya halang, di mo ko pwede halang god. So we're gonna cook this whole chicken here, chicken soup. Kana kaya lang halango na ng usa. Dito na natutuon sa sulod ma. It's really good because it's fresh pork chicken. Just clean it right now. So Virgil, no class today because of the weather, and now the weather is fine. This morning it's been raining because there's a low pressure coming here in the Philippines, and so this is the weather right now. It's pretty, the sky is so clear, and as you can see, so we have 2 chickens here that we're gonna cook. And mama is slicing the other one. We're gonna do some spicy chicken for that one, and the other one we cook that whole chicken. Oh, katurang usa tinibuk na to. Kabalo kam luto aning halang-halang pa? So I'm gonna check you here. So my friend also is bringing us some seashells. So I'm gonna show you what they're bringing. It's fresh also. They're bringing us some. Virgil, what is that? So this one here.
Ang kinason, daghang kinason sa kabaybay.
So that's fresh seafoods there, like mussels. Daddy, is that seashells that they brought us by? Is that mussels?
Huh?
Mussels. That's seafoods. That seashells that they brought us. What is the name of that?
I guess you call them mussels.
Yeah, mussels. And we call that one here kinhasun. Tuway. We called it tuway here in the Philippines. This one we called it tuway ni dong no. Tuway. Kauna mo? So I already cooked some of it. I put some tomato and some green onions. So I'm gonna show you right now. So this is it here. It's already cooked. It's really good. My husband and Virgil loves this one. You want some of it, baby?
I'm not gonna throw
I have some rice already and this one. You want some? Huh?
I won't save space for mine. I gotta get my tools.
And Virgil have his friend here. That's the son of my friend. Virgil, you gonna watch TV with now watch TV mo katong kuan ba Speedy Do. Speedy Do. What's that? Speedy? Okay. Ka? Nakarangga. Bibi. Virgil, nakaw ba? Nakaw ba? Watch mo ni kuan. Ka, watch mo ka. Watch mo ni kuan. Ka, sulod dong. Sulod dong, kainit kiti ha. So I let them watch some movie. Balde. Ano mo diri day? Oh, nago na balde si mama diha. So Willie is getting some buko also. We're gonna have some buko. Eh, tabangan ka na mo dito kuan day. Kuskus. Ay, katong kuan ba? Datag kutsara. Wala ba ko'y kaldero dito ma? Kaya gigamit man tong kuan kinhason. Nakay kaldero. Kanang dali ra unta mo kuan. Dili kay dako ba? Dili kay dako. Buta ra nako dito ba? Isabuan ra man gyapon na. Ito ni bukon kanira may nang halangon.
Ato na bukos mo taas.
Oh. Dito na nako kuan nutuon. Ay timplahin lang daan palihog.
Ikaw mo simpla ni kaya mo.
Kuan nilag tangad ba? Denay tangad day, tiya. Oh.
Tagaday.
Ay, lahira ka.
Pa, slice niya ni palihog pa. Kani ba slice? Kaya lang halangon man eh. Karing usa ba lang halangon, kari tinibuk-o na lang usa.
Yung kabo din, yung kabo.
Kanara lang halangon. Kuan gagmayon ba? Inara niya ako make, mubalik ra ko. Oh. So we're gonna go there at the back. Naman ta ko'y kuan dito kato gani para ana kuskus. Ah. We have this. We get some buko there from our coconut tree. Gagmay kay mong lubi no.
Amo ni yung ani day.
Binahat. Ligang trad ay.
Nasular pa man si Pete. Welding nakaunya na lang pahuway sa oil.
Karang abtan te burnout. Kaya tra mo na.
Eh pahuway sa oil. Pahuway sa ka ba? Makuan ka ko.
Wala pa ba kay baway.
Piluto na tong kuan okay nason ba paghuwa mo dito. Kado wili kay kuan pa to init.
Busog ko, gutom.
Debasyon. Wili magigutom na pakuha to kinason palihog. Sa taas. Pagdagyahong. So, my friend Basyon carrying some more buko. Buko. Nami king buko. Takaw day pagdalagyahong day nya. Pagwa ra dito sa kusina day. Nara may luwag dito.
Butang ay.
Daghan man dito go. Pagwa ra dito daghan na lang kay daghan to.
Pinutik.
Kabalo ka na dong. Mo ana mo chop.
Ang sabaw ni
Muka.
Masay butang di ha?
Maghinay ha, may mong
Kuskus nimo day. Tingganan.
tingganan guro itong sa may kutsilyuhan. Asan to dapi? Kutsara guro dahil sa may kutsaraan.
Wala na tubig. Wala tubig. Wala na lang. Sorry bing, iduha ni mo.
Many buko. Oh, Willie is expert of doing that.
Natara tita Mire.
Ay nara di ay ina si mama mo nara di gikuha na nimo.
Narak diri ma.
Yugasan na day. May king tubig ana. Pagdalag baso day nga tag tubig ari day. Fresh coconut water. This is life in the province. Life in the jungle. We're just getting some coconut there and gonna have some buko juice. Fresh buko juice. Maglamaw mi.
dagan mig duga. Video na day.
It's mainly fresh buko. Look at that. This one is much smaller.
Nagmay day pero dahag tubig.
Tubig ron nindot ni ka?
Oh. Ano to? Ito kutsara.
So we have a lots of eggplants also on this side here, as you can see. And like at that's my favorite eggplant. That's Filipino eggplant. It not get much bigger. Like langit tubig palihog day. There's lots of eggplant here. Yan. Another hot day. So we are here right now at the back of our house. So nice. I love that acacia tree there. So that's our signal, our parabolic antenna there. I want to drink some fresh water, fresh coconut water. Look at that. So very nice. This is really good if you have some UTI. It can cure in the UTI. This buko water, coconut water. So I'm gonna drink this. This is very delicious and very healthy drink. Coconut water, fresh coconut water. Ikaw day, magkuhan ka day? Baso? It's really good. So my husband also will gonna grill some chicken. Gamay rin mong gikuha.
Panari kaon ko. Gutom ko.
Gutom si Willie.
Alta, dito ta. Mahaw ta.
Namay kanon dito oh.
Kami sa day.
Really good.
Gusto ko daw.
So my husband has been grilling some chicken here and also some potato and onions. It looks really good. So we're still waiting for our native chicken to cook. We have this beautiful view here. It smells good, your chicken. Hmm? So my husband is enjoying his grill. So the potato is wrapped with that aluminum foil, right? And onions. Here. So I'm still cooking that native chicken. Smells really good. He marinated it with Rian pearl. And what else? Ground black pepper.
A little bit of hot sauce.
And also some hot sauce. So Virgil and his friend Carlo is eating some lunch right now here. No, it's part of the shell. You can eat that, it's good for you. They're eating that amasal, that shell. Seafood. Good. Good, Virgil. Dami. Kuha beef loaf dong auto pa usa dong. Nato nang Carlo usa bitag sa mo. So they're enjoying. They're watching. Be you off the TV? You can find another movie that you can watch. Movie ba for kids? So I'm cooking some native chicken here. I'm gonna show you. It's whole native chicken. Look at that. that be good. So I already put some seasoning on it, and we put some lemongrass to make it more delicious, and also the smells really good. It's whole chicken. That's my favorite native chicken. It's really good. I can't wait to eat that one. So I already put some seasoning and some salt on it. I'm gonna cover it. Maybe it takes about 30 minutes to cook. We have that big pot there. Virgil! So Virgil and his friend is watching some movie right now. I'm gonna go outside. And my husband is watching his show here outside in the terrace. Yeah. So my friends are all there downstairs. Another beautiful day here in the jungle. So I see you guys in a few minutes. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so this is our foods for lunch. So we have this chicken, spicy chicken, and also some chicken soup, native chicken. So let's eat guys. Sorry. Ato tayo. Ito diba? Ito sa Oh, Willie. Lami, Willie. Lami. It's delicious. Papa, Rema. Sudan. Yan doon siya solo di ay. Nagkuha doon siya solo di ay. Kung siya ni Adto. So let's eat guys. Kuhaan gurong mga tasa. Nay mga tasa ito ubos ma. Nay mga tasa ito day. Oh. And we have this buko here. Buko. We already put some condensed milk on it. Really good. Willie loves that. Lami kay guys. Lagi kamu rin. Nag-videos ako sa youth kuan. Kanon Willie oh. And we have also corn. Instead of rice, we have corn because corn is good for chicken, native chicken. So let's eat. Let's eat, guys. Si Carlo, manam tong kaon day. O si Virgil, gibakaon akong una. Debasyon. So it's almost 5 p.m. here, and as you can see that there's dark clouds there from the distance, so we cannot see some sunset this afternoon. It's another beautiful day here, and we're enjoying the company of our friends. They just left. We're enjoying each other, and we're eating some native chicken and some corn and some banana. It's really good, and also my husband enjoyed their company too. We've been talking and laughing. It's so nice if you have some good friends with you that you can trust. So we're having some good times, even though that both of my friends, her husband also, they cannot speak English, but they're just enjoying. They're just enjoying and try their best to speak my husband too. They can speak English, but little English only. But we're still having fun, and we're enjoying the foods also, especially the native chicken. So it's another beautiful afternoon here, and I already rearranged the table here because we transferred the table from here because this afternoon it's been so hot on that side there. So that's where we eat here. So we enjoyed drinking that fresh buko also, that we put some condensed milk on it. It's really delicious. And it's free. No need to buy, because if you buy that in the market, maybe they sell about 10 pesos per glass. So it depends what area. In the city, maybe that's about 20 pesos per glass. So over here, all we need is just the condensed milk or condensed creamer, and that's all, because we have some fresh buko from our coconut tree. So we are so lucky that we own some of the coconut tree here. We own that coconut tree over there. So that's why we just have it for free. So it's really nice. So I'm gonna show you guys our Vendo machine, our Piso Wi-Fi. We've been having problems of our Piso Wi-Fi. We're not been using now, been 3 days we've not been using, because the board, the main board of that need to replaced. It's my husband's. So this our Piso Wi-Fi, we cannot use it right now because we need to change the
I think it's ESP 8266 board.
ESPA
82.
82 board,
66. 8266.
8266 board. So we need to replace that, and
Hopefully that's all it needs.
yeah, hopefully it's all that it needs, because
We let someone work on it, so now I don't know.
our neighbors here, they really wants to use the Piso Wi-Fi, because our signal here is much faster compared to the other side. So this one, we're having problems. We've been trying to fix this one. There in Valle Hermoso, they have some guy fixing this one, but
Hope they need to do more damage.
he not do it correctly. Maybe he caused more damage on this one. We don't trust that guy because the way he do. So hopefully he not make more damage on this one. So we are very, very sad because this will happen, and it happens about 2 days ago, right? It happens 2 days ago.
Yeah, 2 days.
2 days ago, and that day is really, it's not our day at all, because we've been having problems with my husband too, because of some things came up, then we not expect. You know, that's what life is. But sometimes you can't just handle the problems. So I told to my husband, maybe there's a reason why it do that. So we'll just try our best to fix it as soon as possible. It's on the way here, the parts of that Piso Wi-Fi, and hopefully it will fix, and so that they can use it again, because that money on that Vendo machine, that Piso Wi-Fi, it really helps to us. It's a big help to us, especially this month that we are very tight. Virgil has been in the school of Virgil. We've been paying something that for this coming December for their Christmas party, plus we bought him a new snare drum and some outfit for his drum, a uniform for his drum. We have a lot of expenses, but that Piso Wi-Fi, it really helps to us. So this time hopefully it will fix, because it's a big help to us, especially for next month. So I just think positive right now, then hopefully that everything's gonna be okay. I just keep praying, and I know God will always with us. And that Piso Wi-Fi also, it helps a lot, especially to our neighbors for next month. We try our best to give them something every December. So hopefully things will goes well to us and to all of us. So that's what life is. We just need to be continue what we got and stay positive all the time, and everything's gonna be okay. So that's what life is. Not every day that we experience some good times. Sometimes we experience also some bad times. So life is not perfect at all. So we just need to be strong and keep praying that everything's gonna be okay. So I think that's all for today, guys. I really do appreciate for watching my videos, and for my new subscribers out there, thank you so much for watching my videos and for supporting my YouTube channel, for subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I really do appreciate all of you guys, and for the nice comment. Thank you so much again, and God bless us all. So I'm gonna show this first, the pretty flowers. It's just bloomed today, so how pretty it is, as you can see. Very pretty. The color of it is a purple and some yellow on it on the bottom. And there's a really pretty flower. Look at that. It just bloomed this morning, so how beautiful it is, the look on it. So I think that's all for today, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. God bless us all.